Hi folks, it's Betty and Bill from One Betty Bill. Our old shampooer finally gave out after about 15 years. We've been using a lot of rug shampooer. So we thought we'd try this time America's #1 brand in deep cleaners, the Bissell Pro Heat 2x Pet Pro. It's got everything we need. All boxed up in a pretty blue box. And so we're going to open it up and see what it's all about. Oh, this is great. It even comes with instructions. My goodness. Might have to read that. Looks like a handle. Handy dandy brush for spot cleaning or stairs, furniture. A nozzle clean out tool. Never had one of them before. Handy dandy little container one. Size of that tells me it's probably to put water in. Cute little bag with a hose. Great, you'll like that. Packaged very well. Oh my goodness, they say you get shampoo. There's enough there to clean maybe a 4 by 10 foot area. We'll give it a try. And then the unit itself. Let's see what else. A little splash guard of some kind. Oop, I got the puppy. That wasn't nice of me. And a unit. Not quite as heavy as a Hoover, but it shouldn't take much to put together. And there we have it, all unpacked. Now it's just putting it together. Okay, the Bissell Revolution Pet Pro Upright Carpet Cleaner, model 3586, 3582, and 3588G is all unpacked. Pulled it out, getting her all ready to assemble. And you want to make sure you have the product overview here. Make sure you have the upper handle, spray trigger, 3 the cord clip, 4 the easy fill formula cap, 5 the clean water tank, 6 the carrying handle, 7 cleaning mode switch, 8 power button, 9 dirty water tank, 10 float stack, 11 clean shot button, 12 the recline button, 13 belt access door, 14 nozzle, 15 the foot. Now that you know what everything is, you can start putting her together. Very first thing you do is put in the handle and listen to it click. Okay, next thing we're going to do is find the carrying handle, which is this, and find the slots on the side. They're equal on both sides, and we're going to little notch here to hold in the back. Put that in. And you'll hear it click, not as strong as it click as the other one. And your handle's in place. Your carrying handle. Once you have your carrying handle in place, there's a screw that's taped, piece of red tape, the screw to the top of the handle. Get yourself a Phillips screwdriver, and there's a slot on the back side of the handle, and you screw that in there. Just screw it snug, and that way your carrying handle won't slip out of place. Next thing, find your clear water base. There's a little handle or tank, and there's a little notch back there. You just slide her down into place, and that's all to that portion. Okay, and that's all there's to it. Quick and easy. Putting your Bissell Pro Heat 2x Revolution Pet Pro upright carpet cleaner together. You're all set. Ready to go. You got your water tank. You got your tank for your carpet cleaner. You got the on-off switch. A little pedal to lower the thing, get under places, and you're all set to go. Quick and easy. You also have the holes you can connect on, and the for spot cleaning, the little hand brush. I use that for my stairs, or will use it for my stairs. Quick and easy putting together your Bissell Carpet Cleaner. You all have a great day. Thanks for watching.